Hi, in this video we will take a look at how you can fix the water damage iPhone XS. So here, if you accidentally drop the phone in the water and worry that the phone get water damage, then the first thing you should do is to dry it off. So use a cotton or a rags to dry off your phone. Now this iPhone XS is water resistant, so even if you drop it in the water, it should resistant to water. So that means water shouldn't really get into unless you really have it dropped in the deep water. Otherwise, if you quickly take it out from the water, it should be fine. So you want to dry off the phone as much as possible, and then use a hair dryer or use some sort of a heat gun to blow it off. So put it on low speed. You want to put it on very low heat and slowly dry it as much as possible. Now, especially near the bottom here. So where the hose is, the charging port and all the hose around here and around the buttons, you want to dry as much water as you can, because that's where the water is coming in. So dry as much as possible. Make sure you do it on low heat, high, and you want to do it slowly to make sure that all the water slowly evaporate. So give that a try first, and once the phone is all dry on the outside, okay, now you can put the phone into your rice box. So make sure you have a rice box, enough rice to for the rice to suck out all the moisture from the phone. So have it placed down here and cover it up and leave it in here for a day or two. Make sure the phone is already switched off. We don't want to have any power going on while the phone is in contact with water. And then close the lid and let it stay in here for a day or two, and after a day or two you can pull the phone out and try to power it on. So once the rice has the ability to suck up all the moisture from the water, so basically put it in the rice for a day or two for the water to go away. And after that, once you take out the phone, you can try to power it on and see if it's switch on. And so hopefully it will switch on. Now if you have money, I advise you that you go to the Apple repair shop and get it checked out, because if you got a lot of water going inside, eventually, even if the phone works, eventually it will get corroded by the water, going to corrode all the electrical inside. And it's best if you can try to get it fixed properly, and putting in the rice sometimes will help to get the phone working again, but it might not last a long time. So it's better if you have the money to go to Apple shops and get it fixed and get all the water properly cleaned out. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.